Hello everybody, I am Ram Kumar and I am a data enthusiast. So today we will talking about Business Insight 360. That is a project which I made. So in this we will cover finance view, sales view, marketing view, supply chain, executive view, these things. So in the content part we will cover introduction, in which we will cover about Atlic hardware, challenges and goals, then data collection and transformation, importing data from MySQL, gather data, clean, shape and transform data. And then we will talk about data modeling, report designs, and dashboard designs. So, Atlic Hardware is a company which produces products such as laptop, mouse, batteries, keyboard, etc. and sells all around the world. So, for Atlic Hardware, the countries are like India, America, Australia. Atlic Hardware is operational in these countries and many more. So, Atlic Hardware is a consumer goods electronics company with global operations. So for Atlic, the customers are Amazon, Flipkart, Novus, etc. These things. And for channels are retail, direct distribution, these things. So for Atlic Hardware, the challenges and goals are they are relying on Excel for data analytics, which are posing challenges in insights generation, and they are also facing significant losses in Latin America region. So the main goal of this project is to focus on investing in modern analytics tool such that we can improve the decision making and also reduce losses and profit for the company. So in data collection part, the data was present in MySQL database. We have connected that database into Power BI and we have performed transformations. Some data were in Excel sheet and we have used later on when needed. So data cleaning process were done in Power Query. As you all know, Power Query is a powerful data transformation tool where you can clean the data and apply many transformations on your data. There we have also created many calculated column. So here you can see data modeling. Here we have connected many tables such as fact and dimensions tables like a snowflake schema. Snowflake schema basically in middle you have fact tables and then surrounded by dimension tables, and then also dimension tables are also connected with each other. That is snowflake schema. So here we have created one-to-many relationship between the tables. So in report design, we will first create finance view, which will focus on profit and loss statement. Basically, this will show you all the matrices such as net sales, gross margin percentage, operational cost, this thing. And sales view, it deals with the customer and making good relationship with them, meaning that it basically focus on customer. In marketing view, this is focused on product and running ads and doing promotion, this thing. And supply chain view focus to produce the product for not being out of stock and excess inventory situation. Executive view is the view which are used by top level people such as CEOs, manager, this thing. Somewhere I will add report mockup and we will now go on to the visuals. So here first of all we will talk about home page. Here all the icons that you are seeing all are clickable and you can click on any icon and you will redirect it to that page. So suppose if I click on finance view, you will redirect it to finance. So here you can see report refresh date, values are in dollars and millions, and sales data loaded until December 21. Sales data is a dynamic measure. If suppose you will add new data to the more database, it will automatically refresh the date. So let's start with the finance view. You are seeing here at the top we have filters, like you can filter out. Suppose I want to see the data only for APAC region, I will select APAC region and this will show all the data for APAC region only. Same, you have many filters that you can try it out and filter it out. Then we have many KPIs such as net sales, gross margin percentage, net performance, and we can toggle between versus last year or versus target. So in recent year 2022, Atlic Hardware implemented that target concept where it compares the targeted data with actual sales. And here you can see benchmark. Benchmark is a generic measure that can be used for last year and target both. If I will select last year, it will show last year data as benchmark, and same goes with the target. So the main visual of this dashboard is P&L statement. Here you can see all the key matrices such as gross sales, pre-invoice deduction, net invoice sales, post deduction, net sales, total costs, these things. So you can get many informational insights, and here you are seeing net sales performance over time. Suppose if I will click gross sales, so this visual is dynamic. It will now showing it will now show the gross sales performance over time. So next, go to the next view, that is sales view. Here, as we all seen that at top of the dashboard we have the filters, and we can filter out the filters according to the need. Here you will see the customer data, customer net sales, gross margin, and gross margin percentage. And you are seeing a pop-up, this pop-up that is generating. It is a tooltip which will appear whenever you will hover to the customer. So it will give you the quick insight of how the customer are performing in net sales and gross margin percentage. And here we can drill down product performance, like we can see the networking data, and in networking we have product Wi-Fi extender. Here we can see individual product performance just by clicking it. These things are so dynamic, so you can change the filter the way you want. So here this is the customer performance, this is the product performance, and you can individually drill down to the next category. Now here you are seeing that this is performance matrix. Here you will see that Novus is a company where net sales increases in recent month and gross margin percentage are higher. So these type of quick insights you can get through such amazing dashboards. Here you are seeing the unit economics, net sales, total post invoice deduction, and pre-invoice deduction. Suppose if I will select Amazon, so now it is showing me only for Amazon. So here we are seeing that to get the 496 million approx net sales, we have almost spent the similar amount in giving the, what we can say, giving the, and here you can see if I will select Amazon, so it will now show the data for Amazon. And here you can see that to get the 496 million approx net sales, we have spent similar amount of money in giving the deductions. So here you are seeing in that net sales how much is the total cost and gross margin. Now let's move on to the marketing view. Marketing view is mainly focused on product, so we will see only product data here. So you can see here in this we have segment, category, and product. Suppose I want to which product is giving me most net sales in APAC region. So just simply I will select APAC, and then now I can get some insights. So for APAC region, I want to interested in desktop. So I will click on desktop. There are two categories, business laptop and personal laptops. I will click on business laptop. So here you can see the individual breakdown of this product. So this way you can get many useful insights. Now this is a performance metric, and where I will click on show net profit percentage, and here you are seeing the visual according to the now net profit percentage. And if I will click on show GM percentage, it will now show the GM percentage. So we can see that in gross margin percentage, the notebook section is doing very well. So let me clear out the filter. And now here you are seeing the gross margin and total cost. So suppose if I will select individual product, individual category or segment. Suppose I have selected the desktop segment. So here you can see that we have less gross margin and we have more total costs. That's why we are in negative net profit. So gross margin in 272, but we have spent lot more than gross margin in operational expenses. That's why our profit decreases. So now let's go to the next view, that is supply chain view. Here also I have repeated many times, at the top you get filters, and here the KPIs like forecast accuracy, net error, and absolute error. So net error basically is the measure that will tell us the difference between forecasted quantity and actual sales quantity. So net error is nothing but the difference between forecast quantity and actual sales quantity. So here you are seeing the customers according to the forecast accuracy percentage, net error percentage, risk. So if I will click on Acclaim stores, these data will change, and you are seeing that I am selecting the 2021 for now. So if the net error is less, that is good sign, because it is telling that we are almost similar to the forecasted quantity and we have sell that much quantity to the customer. So it is basically customized for situations such as excess inventory and out of stock situations. So you can see that for in 2021 acclaimed stores were out of were in out of stock situation, and that's why it also faces some losses. So now let's go into the executive view. Here you are seeing many things. So at the top you have filters and then you have many KPIs, and after that you will see that here this is the market share percentage chart. Here you are seeing that this blue thing is Adlic company. So I want to see that how how Adlic hardware performs in India. So if I will select here in India, see here the Atlic market share percentage is more than before. Before it is less than, and now it is almost 13.3%. So this way you can get some many good insights. And now you can see the revenue contribution percentage, gross margin percentage. For product also you can see the revenue contribution percentage and gross margin percentage. And here you are seeing the revenue by channel, and here revenue by division, and this is showing yearly trend by revenue, gross margin percentage, net profit percentage, and PC and market share percentage. So this is the thing. Thank you for watching my video, and I want to so this is the video. I want to thank Dhawal sir and Hemadan sir for guiding me in this amazing project, and thank you for watching.